Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to my online classroom. So, I hope you're doing good. So, this particular moment, I'm going to discuss, and you are going to understand relations and functions. Okay. So, when I speak of relations, what comes into your mind, or how do you understand functions, or how do you relate, or how do you define relations as a personal connection? Okay, so let's proceed. So a relation is defined as a set of ordered pairs. May pairs yan na wala lang. Okay, a relation is a set of ordered pairs. Say for example, I have this set of ordered pairs. So we have 2, 3, negative 1, 5, 4, negative 2, 9, 9, 0, and negative 6. So these ordered pairs are discussed when you are in junior high school. So this is not new to you. So the first, of course, this one is the x value, and the other number is the y. Okay? So this is called a relation because this is a set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs. How many pairs? There are one, two, three, four, 5 pairs of ordered pairs. Okay, so the first element in an ordered pair is what we call the domain. Okay, so the domain is the set of all x values in the relation. Will you please tell me the domains in this particular set? Okay, very good. So we have 2, negative 1, 4, 9, and 0. But when you want to write this formally, so you have to arrange this in increasing order. Okay, so the domain now is negative 1, 0, 2, 4, and 9. So these are the x values written in a set from smallest to largest. So that's the proper way of writing the domain. Okay, what about the range? The range is the set of all y values in the relations. So look at the example. So what are the range, or what are the values of the range? So we have, correct, so we have 3, 5, negative 2, 9, and negative 6. So let's write them. Okay, so we have 3, 5, negative 2, 9, negative 6. So the range now is negative 6, negative 2, 3, 5, 9. And it is written in an increasing order. So these are the y values written in a set from smallest to largest. So any questions? I hope it's clear. Next, so let's take this an example. So how can we tell if if it is a function, the two given relations is a function? Say for example, I have a set of all x's and I have a set of all y. So let's see. So I have the elements here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have also here the elements of the range are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So a relation assigns the x with y. So let's assign. Okay. So how can we determine if this is a function? So this relation can be written as 1, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 5, 10. So the first set are all the domains, are all elements of the domain. The second set are the elements of the range. So if we're going to write this, so we have 1, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, and 5, 10. Now, so let's determine if a given set are functions. So a function from set A to set B is a rule of correspondence that assigns to each element x in the set A exactly one element y in the set B. So it should be one-to-one correspondence. The first one. In order for the relations to be called function, it should be one-to-one. So let's take an example. Say for example, I have this set A is the domain and set B is the range. So we have conditions. Take note. So must use all the x's. In Tagalog, kailangang magamit itong mga x na to. Sa totoong buhay, huwag niyong gagamitin yung x. Okay. Next, we have the x value can only be assigned to one y. So, kailangang ma-pair lang siya sa iisang y. Just the same with personal relationship. 1 is to 1. Okay, the x value can only be assigned to one y. Okay, so let's pair them. What do you think? My question is this a function? Anybody? Is this a function? Okay, let's see if the given conditions are met. 1, all x's are assigned. Let's see, let's inspect. Yes, all x's are assigned, so check. Next, the x value are assigned to only one y. Let's check. So 1, 4, 2, 2, so 3, 10, 4, 8, and 5, 6. So therefore, the two conditions are met. So therefore, this is a function. Okay, next. Let's look at another relation and decide if it is the function. If it is a function, let's see. Okay, take a look at it, class. Okay, is this a function or not function? Okay, so your answers are different. So some are telling me this is a function. Okay, let's check the conditions if the conditions are met. So all x's are assigned. Yes, all x's are assigned. Okay, what about the y value? Is the x value assigned to only one y? Okay, look at this. No x value has more than one y assigned. It's true. Okay, so it's true. So even though x is assigned to y, there's no repetition. Okay, so therefore the x value is assigned to only one y. So therefore, this is a function. So many to one. Many to one. So therefore, many to one correspondence is a function. Take note, many to one function is a many to one correspondence is a function. I hope this is clear. Okay, next. So this is a function if it meets our condition. Next, what about this? What do you think? Is this a function? Is the relation shown above a function? Okay, so I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, time is up. So let's check if the conditions are met. Okay, the answer is no. The relation is not a function. Why? Let's take a look at it. Why not? So let's take a look at it. Okay, so a good example that you can relate to is students in our math class. The grade they earn out of the class is set B. So each student must be assigned a grade and can only be assigned one grade only. But more than one student can get the same grade, so that's a good thing. Say for example, 5 students get 96. Okay, so the example shown in the previous screen had its students getting the same grade. So 2 was assigned to both 4 and 10. So therefore, x's are assigned to two y's. So therefore, this is not a function. Because the condition, one x should be assigned to one y only. Okay, so therefore, this is not a function. Check this relation. Check this relation to determine if this is a function. Let's see. What about this? It's already flashed on the screen. It is not. Why? Yes, it's already flashed on the screen. All of your elements are assigned except for 3. So the condition must use all the x's. So the x value can only assign to one y. So, but of course, 3 is not assigned. So this is not a function. It doesn't assign each x with y. Okay? What about this? Another example. This is fine. Each student gets only one grade. More than one can get A, and I don't have to give any D's. So all Y's don't need to be used. So it's okay. If we're going to look at it, Y is not assigned to X. It's okay. So therefore, because the conditions, it must be the X. And the X should be assigned to only one Y. So let's see, 1, 6, 2, 2, 3, 2. Even though 2 and 3 is assigned to one Y only, still consider. So 4, 4, and 5, 10. So this is a function. Okay, now for your exercise, so let me see, I have 2 questions here. So apply now what you have learned. Which of the following set, number 1, which of the following set of ordered pair is not a function? And the other one, which of the following correspondence is not a function? I'll give you 5 seconds. Which of the following set of ordered pair is not a function? Okay, what is your answer for number 1? Okay, letter D. D is not a function. Why? Because there are 2 x's. Look at this one, 2, 5, and 2, 7. So element 2 is assigned to 5 and 7. So there should be no repeating element, first element. So that's the thing there. You have to understand. There should be no repeating first element in the set. Next, number 2. Which of the following correspondence is not a function? I've already mentioned this. 1 to 1, 1 to many to 1, or many to many. Okay. So we have 1 to many, or many to 1. 1 to many. Letter C. Next, applying now the concepts of relations and function. Which of the following is a function? Clue. There should be no first element, or there should be no 2x values. So in this particular graph, which of the following is a function? Which of the following is a function? Yes, it's letter C. Okay, how do you know this letter C? Because if you're going to get all the set of points there in the graph, there are no repeating x's. Unlike for letter A, this is a circular one. So if you're going to do the vertical line test, there are 2 x's. This one, infinite x's. This one, it has 3 x's. We're going to do the vertical line test. Okay, very good class. So for your assignment, so you're going to watch the video I posted in your Google Classroom, then answer the exercises there. So you're going to submit on August 28, 2020. It's until 12 midnight only. Okay? So thank you for listening. I hope you learned something. See you.